The Event Management feature is a central hub where you can create, edit, and manage events. The Event Hub contains 4 configuration windows: Alert Actions, Events, Action, and Rules. To open the Event Management Hub, select the System Configuration icon and click the Event Management icon. The Event Management Hub provides a central location for creating and editing events. The user can configure an event by dragging a device onto the pane on the right-hand side. Once the progress indicator has turned green, you can select the arrow icon to advance to the next step. Configure a trigger, for example, motion detection, and select the arrow icon to continue. Configure a schedule if required, and select the arrow icon to progress. The colored indicators will turn green as each stage is complete. Configure a cause, for example, displaying a salvo action, and select the save icon once you're happy with your configuration. You can also create new items, such as camera call-up actions, by selecting the Add icon. From the menu on the left, you can create a new event, create a new action, and create a rule. From the Alert Actions page, you can group by any of the table headings by dragging them onto the Group By area. The Event Management Hub provides a central location for configuration, creating and editing of events, and event processing.